What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is GB Merce. I've been really looking forward to making this video because a year ago I was challenged in a good way and inspired by an individual how to get out of plateaus in my career and how to spread my wisdom to others. So about a year ago, this guy on the beach, I don't even remember his name. Remember, he was from New Jersey. He's probably in about his 60s or so, and I was sitting on the beach smoking a cigar, 8 o'clock at night, and this individual sat down next to me, lit up his cigar, and we started a conversation. So the first conversation he had with me was about, how do you feel in your career? And I said, I feel fantastic. I'm a nurse. I have opportunities. I can go anywhere I want. I have a 401k. My salary is increasing, and my Social Security will increase when I retire over time. So he told me, I don't even know what I'm talking about. I am at a plateau in my career. I looked at him. I go, what are you talking about? I take care of myself. I lift weights. I watch what I eat. I have a 4.0 for my RN to BSN program. I have the balls in my court, basically. I can do whatever I want, go wherever I want. What are you talking about, dude? And he goes, have you ever thought about investing in real estate? I said, what? How can I invest in real estate? I'm not an accredited investor. Nobody would even look at me. Then he goes, kid, there's opportunities out there. I said, where? Like, come on, give me a break. Like, do you work for Amway? Do you work for like, all these companies trying to like recruit people? What's going on? He goes, no, you need to do your homework. You're at a plateau. And I said, dude, get out of here, So he really started to introduce me to angel investing, how to invest in really good stocks, and that I should do my homework on find ways to get out of plateaus. And if something happens, if I get laid off from my job, if my 401k goes down the tubes, what am I going to do for multiple sources of income? So this is where it really opened up my mind, and I did some digging till about 2 o'clock in the morning on that night on what is going on and why am I at a plateau, and is this guy full of crap? And he wasn't. I was actually at a plateau in my career. There's ways that you can invest to have passive income. There's ways that you can make passive income. There's ways that you can generate income. So that's where I really started doing my research and my digging, and he really inspired me to spread my wisdom that I learned to other people. He said that I knew what I was talking about with helping out, giving advice. And I said, what are you talking about? I'm 32 years old at the time. Like, give me a break. He said, no, you need to take advantage of that and spread your wisdom to others. So I started doing some digging, and I learned about social media and how to spread your wisdom to others. One of them is by YouTube. So he really inspired me to create a YouTube channel to help you guys out in your careers, or to help you out. Whoops, I almost stepped down a hole right there. But it really taught me how I could help you guys out. So, offering advice. There's some ways by offering advice. There's some ways how to invest. I learned how to invest. I'll teach you guys how to invest. He taught me how to angel invest. And he really taught me how to surround myself with really good people and go-getters. So that's one of the big things that I learned from this guy. I would really like to thank him, because I started surrounding myself with big-time go-getters, and they motivated me to become a better person, a better lifter, a better student, a better employee, and a better individual. So, that's the thing. That's my advice to you guys, is really you need to surround yourselves with good people, surround yourselves with go-getters, and surround yourself with someone that can help you in a good way. Now, I'm not saying you should take advantage of them, but what I'm saying is You need to be around these type of people because they build you up and they can open up things that you never even knew about yourself. This guy solved the missing piece of a puzzle from a financial standpoint for me. Right now, I mean, with some of the things I invested in, I'm making money every day. I'm doing really well with my stocks. The guys with investor relations are fantastic. They keep me up to date on how things are rolling, and that's what I'm going to do on my channel after I'm done with a few NCLEX questions, is help you become financially stable when you retire. When you retire, or you're focused on retirement. So that's some things that you can learn about yourself, is to never be complacent. I was complacent. I thought, you know, I make this amount, I will have Social Security, I have a 401k, but really this guy's right. What happens if your 401k goes down the tubes? What happens if there's another recession? What happens if you get laid off? See, I really never thought about that way. Just because I have a career that's really hot and I can go anywhere I want, anything can happen. So you have to be prepared for the doomsday scenario that can happen. What happens if things don't go right? What if I'm in graduate school and I don't do well and then I'm in debt? What am I going to do to get out of debt? So that's kind of what I learned from this guy, and he really liked the way I discussed how to invest in the right type of schools, how to get out of plateaus in your career, and how to become a better person, surround yourself with good people. So I learned from my experiences. I'm 33 years old. I learned from experiences and from other individuals how to eliminate issues or variables that'll create a plateau in your life and career. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you make a comment or so. Let me know what you think of this video. I know the sun's pretty much in my face right now, but you know, my channel is about helping you guys from a financial standpoint, from a health standpoint, from a standpoint of finding the right people you want to be around, and how to become a better person. So, you know, I'll keep you posted on my videos. Just keep an eye on my channel. The best way to do it is by hitting the bell. And I tell you what, since I started this YouTube channel, I met some very strong individuals. I'll probably be discussing about their channel and what they're about. I'm sure you guys, one of them is someone that I met that's a nurse practitioner, and you know, I'm ready to get the ball rolling. If you guys want to get the ball rolling, you know, feel free to make some comments. Let me know what you think, or let me know what you guys think is an issue that needs to be addressed. Because you guys have been awesome, sending me emails like crazy, saying, well, what do I do? What should I look out for? What type of gym should I look for? What type of people should I avoid? So I'll be glad to help you out with some advice. So you guys have a good one. Enjoy your week. Take care of yourself and make sure you're hitting the gym. All right, bye.